Okay, today is dismantling the Hero Honda engine. Okay, this is a Kickstarter. Okay, you see, this is a Kickstarter. It's normally kick the lever. Okay, kicker lever. Okay, this lever is a kicker shot. Okay, next one you will just you will dismantle. You see. Okay, first of all open the center gears. Okay, this one left hand side gears. Okay, this is a right hand gears. Okay, this is a gear arrangement. Okay, fully this is a main shaft. This is a lay shaft. Lay shaft means counter shaft. Okay, this is a crankshaft. Okay, this is a kickstarter. Okay, this is this one way clutch. Okay, this is normally free. Okay, this one ratchet lever. This normally this left hand side we use the plate. This plate is a stop the this ratchet. Once you start kick it on, this one rotate. This one touch the this gear ratchet only. Next one will fully rotate. This one rotate. Then this will drive the first gear. This normally first gear user. Okay, this one first gear drive. Next one this gear drive. This lay shaft drive. Okay, next one this side shaft rotated. Okay, this is a clutch. This is a normally clutch housing is connected. Okay, this one drive. Next crankshaft drive. Okay, and this one started. Okay, this is a fast the kickstarter. See, this is a gear arrangement. Okay, this is a kicker. Okay, this one is the lock play. It's normally two lock play used. This one is the internal type, some is the external type. Okay, this one external socket. Lock open. Next one, this is a stopper plus this is a spring connector. Okay, there is a return spring user now. This one connect the return spring. This one end is connect here. Another connect this hours in. This is a return spring. Okay, this one kicker assembly. You see, this one rotate now. This one gear is rotate. Okay, so once engine start now, this one rotate. Once you kickstart, just you press the clutch kicker pedal now. This one only noise, some noise. This noise will be okay. You release now. This one touched here. Okay, you see, it's normally placed here. Okay, once you start, this one stop. Only free gear, only free. It's not nice. Okay, once you kicker pedal, press the kicker pedal now. This one touch the ratchet. You see carefully. This one touched here. Okay, this one machine, then rotate. Okay, next you stop the arrangement. This arrangement. Okay, stop arrangement. Next you return. Once you start, this one return spring help. This one rotate original bushing. Then open it. Okay, you understood now? This one. This is careful. This is a ratchet only. This one drive now. This gear drive. Next one. This gear driven. First of all, this drive, this is a driven. Next, this gear drive, lay shaft driven. Okay, lay shaft rotate. Next one, lay shaft, we always attach the clutch unit. Clutch gear attach the outer side. Okay, next one, this one drive. Next, you directly cut in the engine. Okay, this one rotate now. This one drive. This shaft is rotate. The one is engine is stop. Okay. This arrangement. This one connect here. This one connect here. This connect. This one kicker start as. Okay. Top level. Okay, first of all this one drive. Okay, this is driven. Next this one drive, this one driven. Next this one drive, this is driven. This normally crankshaft rotate. This is a engine start. This is a starting system. Okay, just you assemble the kickstart assembly. Okay, first of all fix the kickstart. Okay, now once again you see the ratchet. Okay, this one. Okay, first neutral position is here. Okay, you engage the gear lever. This one touch the ratchet, then this rotate. Okay, you see this one free. Okay, normally the engine start this one rotator. Okay, once you kickstart press the kick pedal, this one touch it. Okay, you release the this automatically this plate user. Next one you backward. Okay, don't touch the ratchet. Okay, okay, first of all fixed it. Okay, this is a right hand case. First fixed here. Okay, one end support this case, another end support the left hand side case. Okay, this one attached here. Okay. Okay, this is a kicker return spring. Okay, this one stop here. This end connect here. Another connect this stop. Okay. Just you see this marking. You see small marking. Okay, this one mark here. This normally company making mark. Coincidence to marking. Next we will have this external circuit like it is a player. Okay, this one connect here. That's all. You see? Return speed this function. Okay, this is okay. Next one attach the gear arrow. Okay, this is a shifter. 1/4 kicker. This is another 4. You see this one rotate na, ski rotate na, this one rotate. This thing is more tension na. You see this one drive, this key driven, this one driven. Okay, you see this power turn. Okay, this sharp rotate na. You see how does it? This sharp rotate na. Okay, this one attached clutch na. This one connect the engine start. First connected over. Next one crankshaft. Okay, this side a timing chain. This is a FMA. FMA means flywheel mounting alternator user. Okay, this is a power transmitter. Okay. Over. Next one, face pump. Okay, this is assembled over. Okay, you see this one kickstarter. Let's check the kickstarter. You see this one function. Okay. Okay, you see this one drive, this is driven. Next one, this shaft drive, this one attached here, no? This one drive, this one engine start. Okay, you see. In this case, there is a housing rotate, no? This one drive, sorry, this one drive, this is driven. This one rotate, no? This engine start. Okay. Okay, power transmit here, kicker shaft to gear shaft to lace shaft to clutch unit to crankshaft. Okay, this one starting. Okay, okay, now to here. Okay, engine starter, no? This one gear drive, this is clutch drive, next one lace shaft drive, output shaft driven. Then you see this side only sprocket connected. This one power transmitter here to here. Okay, in kicker starter, this is reversible. Okay, okay, the shaft is connected here. This start driven the gearbox. Next this one drive, clutch unit drive. Next one clutch drive the crankshaft. This is reversible shaft. Okay, okay, this one. Oh, okay, this one here on the force to kicker starter assembly. Okay. Okay, first of all, displaying some of the Hero engine, four stroke. This one, two stroke petrol engine. Okay, this is a TVS Super Excel. Okay, you see, this is a very simple Kickstarter. Okay, first of all, this is a clutch unit and kicker unit user. Okay, this is a engine unit. Okay, the crankshaft here, piston black. Okay, piston and bore cylinder black and head. Okay, this is a FN flywheel mounting. This is a coil unit. Okay, this is a carburetor. Okay, first of all, you display the clutch unit. Okay, first of all, drain the oil. Okay, you see this one, oil drain plug here. Okay, first of all, oil drain it. This is oil top of bolt. Okay, first of all, remove. First of all, chain remove. No? This is a chain sprocket. This one chain sprocket over. Okay, this is a kicker lever. This is a kicker lever. This is a carter. First of all, remove the screws. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, this is a kicker also. Okay, you see. Okay, this is a ratchet nut separate. Okay, this one kicker ratchet separate. Okay, okay, you see same part. Okay, this one stopper. Okay, this one kicker shaft. This shaft. Okay. This one 18 screw You see, little speak here. Just you stop this connector, this spurs. Okay, spurs connector. Next one, this one. This spurs drive this gear. This one drive. Next one, this ratchet directly connected here. Okay. This gear drive here. This one rotated now. This one drive. Okay, this one drive, this is a driven normally. Okay, this one normally rotate now. This is a helical user. Okay, the helical user, this is a ratchet is driven. Okay, this one ratchet directly connect the engine house, engine crankshaft. Okay, this engine start. Okay, once you press the kicker pedal, this normal this position here. Okay, the kicker on now, this one rotate. Okay, this one rotate now. This one rotate. Next, this one drive the ratchet gear. This is a separate gear now. Okay, this is this lever. You see? Okay, first of all drive this shaft. Okay. Next one, this teeth drive this teeth. Okay, this one drive this per gear. Okay, normal here now. Yes. This kind here. You press the clutch pedal, no? This one rotate. Okay, this one rotate. Okay, this one connect the ratchet. Ratchet gear, no? Then you see this is a front, move the front wheel. Okay, now neutral position is the inside, no? Okay, backward now. You press the kick pedal, no? This one press the front wheel. Okay, forward move it. This one touch the directly crankshaft. Directly crankshaft, no? This one drive, this is a driven. Your engine start. Okay, engine run. This side, patient move the downward to upward. Okay, process completed, engine started. Okay, it's a very simple. Okay, first of all, your gear are. Okay, first of all drive the ratchet. Next one, first gear drive. Next lace shaft drive. Next clutch drive. Clutch to crankshaft gear drive. Next the engine started. Okay, this one directly crankshaft drive. Okay, it's no gear now. This is without gear. Okay, this one over any clutch. This is a clutch unit. Okay, this one output shaft. This is a very simple concept. Okay, you understood now? Okay, see once again now. You see this is a neutral position. Okay, you press the kicker pedal. No? This one press the kicker pedal here left hand side. Okay, you press the kicker pedal. Then this one drive the spurs, drive the this biggest gear. No? This is one side helical, another side is spur gear. Okay, this one rotate. Next one, the helical drive the ratchet gear. Okay, this is a ratchet you see. This is one side is helical, another side is the ratchet user. Huh? The helical smooth the front wheel. Next one is that connect the crankshaft. Then crankshaft to rotate. Okay, they are very simple. Okay, that's all. Okay. Okay, next one we have some. Okay, see, this one fixed. This one directly meshed the here. Okay. Then kind of screws. Okay, next one, kicker shaft. There's a busher. Next one, chain span. Okay, that's all. Kicker dismantle assembly.